Hi, I'm Lisa from Cultured Expressions, and today I wanted to tell you about a really great new fundraiser we have. A lot of you know that we've adopted a school in Ghana called the Royal Crown Academy, and we've put together some giveaways. And the way it works is you buy tickets, and then we have a drawing for the prize, and you can win the prize. The great part for you, aside from giving, is that you can also earn a 10% coupon on your next Cultured Expressions order. And that is when you buy 3 tickets or more, you get a 10% discount. That'll be good till July. But let's get to the great stuff, the giveaways themselves. Dug into the archives, and we found 1 copy each of each issue of Fabrigasm from issues 1 through 10. And it's a real collector's item, so it's the Fabrigasm library. You can take buy tickets for this giveaway. This is one. And Fabrigasm is a magazine. It's the magazine for lovers of African textiles. Many of you are familiar with it. And to have all 10 copies in print would be a really great addition to your library. So we'll check that out. The next one is for ankara lovers. A lot of you know our hashtag, Ankara elevates everything. We believe that here, whether it's quilts or clothing or handbags, accessories, or anything like that. So this giveaway includes our 2.5-inch wide strip bundle. It includes 10 fat quarters. These are the actual ones you're going to get. So this is actually what you're seeing here. 10 fat quarters, a great little assortment here. You also get a pack of our 10-inch squares, 50 different prints, no repeats. That's our trademark here. And they're really curated as far as color and all that. So you get a really nice mix. Same for our 5-inch prints. This is all one giveaway. 5-inch squares here. And again, 50 pieces, no repeats. And all of these we decided to bundle with issue number 10, which is the current issue of Fabrigasm, because in it, you'll find my guide to pre-cuts, how to use them, how to cut them, how to sew with them. So we thought that would be a nice little addition to this giveaway. That's giveaway number 2. Giveaway number 3 is for the luxury lovers, and this includes our jacquard batiks. And again, many of you who know, if you know, you know. And just a luxurious, beautiful textile, textured surface, and then they do the wax batik over it, also made in Ghana. And here we also have, we picked out 10 of probably our favorite fat quarters, a great color, whatever your favorite color is, I think we've got you covered. So you get the 10 fat quarters, you get the pack of 7-inch squares, again 50 pieces, no repeats, for patchwork or for whatever project you decide you want to make, and same for the strip bundle. So all of the batiks, again, are one giveaway. You can buy a ticket for that. We have this, we'll recap. We also have the Ankara bundle with the one magazine, and we have the Fabrigasm library of all issues 1 through 10. And to enter the giveaway, you can check out the link in our bio on Instagram or visit culturedexpressions.com. You'll see the link, click on it, it'll take you right to the page, and you can learn more about the school, and you can just really be a part of this and help us make an impact. Thanks.